Hello, this is Amos, the math guy. Wanted to show you that we've created Accounting to Calculus and Beyond series, which is the next level in our Accounting to Calculus journey. I'll show you a short website that Manus AI used, but AI has basically disrupted math education. This is a document showing students where they can go from pre-kindergarten all the way to PhD level mathematics at their own pace, right? So I give them the roadmap. This is the list of modules. There's 341 modules. If you want to become a Fields Medal winning mathematician, this is what you use, which is the highest level in one sense of math, sort of excellence in terms of rewards, right? Fields Medal, just like there's a Nobel Prize in chemistry and physics. So imagine if a child goes through pre-algebra, algebra 1, algebra 2, pre-calculus, Euclid, use Euclid's book. I actually include statistics, calculus 2, calculus 3, linear algebra, discrete mathematics. The key is you go at your pace, keep mastering. There's no limit until you're done with high school, right? And then do what you want to do in college. The Euler's elements of algebra, Newton's Principia, differential equations, advanced math explorations can happen. And this is just showing you that there's a lot that people can accomplish if we don't put any limits. Now, not everybody's going to go this far, but why are we putting limits on how much math people learn every year? Well, AI is going to change that. I want to understand Fermat's last theorem, so I added this whole set of topics. So I'm going to go through this as a hobby over the next 10 years, God willing. We're going to talk about general relativity, the history of mathematics, AI and mathematics, mathematics and ethics, mathematical entrepreneurship, origin of numbers. Everything math is right here to get you to the Fields Medal. Even mathematics and policy, different civilizations and their impacts on mathematics. Okay, so that's the goal. Now, at the very end, there's a short write-up AI generated, right? It says part of it is the mathematician's toolkit, right? We want people to overcome a lot of these things that people face. And then it wrote a poem which is kind of cool at the very end. But this document is something that will be refined and it will come out soon. Let's talk about the website. By the way, this is my part of my recommendation as I go through this. I tell people why is there a limit, right? How far can this student go if we never hold them back, right? So we have to redefine education. And then I'm going to create a certificate. So this is just a template of what's coming. So the certificate will be based on how much mastery a student wants. Now let's look at one more thing. So this is a website that AI also made using the data from a lot of these modules. Look at how cool this is. It broke the topics down into categories where you can then explore the modules. And then it broke down the modules here for arithmetic and basic pre-algebra and basic algebra, and then algebra, and then geometry, calculus, Euclid's elements, statistics. And then this is an example. I'm going to click on this, view details for module 80, applications of vector calculus. You could download a PDF and it'll give you some details, which AI again has put together. This is really interesting times that we're living in, right? So AI put this together. I told it what the journey is supposed to be, and AI basically created examples, explanations, and everything, right? So this is module 80. So if you go up, this is an AI generated chapter, and it tells you the applications. I told you to give the applications, give the history, because I want people to know the context. Of course, James Clerk Maxwell is here. He's my favorite physicist. Okay, so that's part of what has happened. AI has disrupted education. Let's start giving children the chance to go as far as they want, but calculus should be the starting point. That's the key. Have a blessed day. Stay tuned for more and subscribe for more.